Hey, ever wondered if there's a simpler, maybe a steadier way to grow your money? Well, today we're going to break down the world of bonds, and we're doing it in just 60 seconds. So let's jump right in.
So, are you looking for a way to invest that's, a bit steadier than the stock market? Something that gives you a regular, predictable income? If that's a yes, then you've really got to get to know bonds.
All right, so what on earth is a bond anyway? I know it sounds a little complicated, but trust me, the main idea is actually super simple. Think of it like this. When you buy a bond, you are literally lending your money to a big organization. Could be a company, could be the government. And what do you get in return? Well, they promise to pay you back the whole amount you lent them, plus they give you regular interest payments. That's it. You basically get to be the bank.
Okay, that sounds good. But how does the money actually come back to you? It all happens in 3 really simple steps.
First up, you buy the bond. That's you lending out your money. Second, you start getting these regular interest payments, which in the bond world are called coupons. And third, right at the very end of the loan period, that's called the maturity date, you get your original money back. The whole thing. It's a nice, predictable cycle.
But who are these guys borrowing all this money? Right, let's take a quick look at the main players who are out there issuing bonds.
Okay, so you've got corporate bonds. These are from companies that need cash to, grow their business. Then you have municipal bonds. These come from cities and states to pay for public projects. Think new roads, schools, that kind of thing. And finally, the big one, government bonds, which help the country run its day-to-day operations. Now just remember, depending on who you lend to, the risk and the returns can be quite different.
All right, so you're interested. Now for the big question, where can you actually go and buy these bonds here in India? Let's talk about your next step. And here's the best part. It's actually way easier than you might think. There are a bunch of online platforms that have made buying bonds super accessible for everyone. You can just check out places like Golden Pie, India Bonds, Wint Wealth, and BondsCard. You can do it all right from your phone or your laptop.
And that's pretty much it. Bonds are a huge part of what's called fixed income investing, and they offer a way to get returns that can be really stable and predictable. So, now that you've got the basics down, the real question is, are you ready to explore adding them to your own financial toolkit?